In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a speeding ticket online in Chicago. The first thing you need to do is identify what kind of ticket you received because the payment process depends on how the ticket was issued. In Chicago, there are two common situations. The first is an automated speed enforcement ticket, which is a camera-issued speeding ticket that typically arrives by mail. The second is an officer-issued traffic ticket, which is the physical ticket given to you by a police officer during a traffic stop. If you received an automated speed enforcement ticket from a city speed camera, start by going to the City of Chicago's official payment portal. You can do this through the Chip Pay portal or by visiting the City of Chicago page for parking, red light, and speed ticket payments. Once you're on the correct page, look for the Pay Now option for parking, red light camera, or automated speed enforcement tickets and select it. From there, you'll be asked to search for your ticket information. You can usually find your citation by entering either your license plate number or your driver's license number. Make sure you enter the information carefully so the system can locate the correct record. After your ticket appears, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the payment using a major credit or debit card. Before submitting, it's a good idea to review the amount and the citation details one more time to avoid mistakes. If your speeding ticket was issued by a police officer instead of a camera, the process is different. In that case, your ticket is typically handled through the Circuit Court of Cook County. To pay online, go to the Cook County Online Traffic Ticket Payment System. This is the official place for handling officer-issued traffic citations online. Before you begin, have your ticket or case number ready, along with the exact amount owed. These details are important because the court system may require them to locate your case and process payment correctly. Once you're in the system, use the e-pla and e-pay option to plead guilty and pay the fine online. Depending on your case, you may also see additional options, such as traffic safety school, so take a moment to read the available choices carefully before moving forward. No matter which type of ticket you have, always use the official government website, double-check your information before submitting payment, and save your confirmation at the end. A screenshot, email receipt, or downloaded confirmation page can be helpful for your records in case you need proof of payment later.